Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can check your voicemail on iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, also put your likes and don't forget to write comments after watching this video. Let us get started with you. So, first of all, you will need to open the phone app. And then at the bottom you will need to find voicemail. Click on it. And here you'll see a list of voice messages that you have on your voicemail. What can you do with them? For example, you can find out who called you the time, and also at the bottom you can see how long the voicemail message lasts. Also, if you click on that message, the first thing you can do is listen to it. You will also be able to, for example, call that user from here. You will be able to delete that voice message. If you click on the share button, you'll be able to send this message, for example, via text, by email, by some social networking site like Telegram, Gmail, and so on. You will also be able to save this voice message to a file. This is the easy way to check your voicemail on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to write your comments. Don't forget to put your likes and see you soon, friends.